Hello, dark and light-skinned men. I've come to talk with you as friends, because division's swiftly breeding, and it leaves our loved ones bleeding, and the crimson blood that ran red in their veins spills the same when there's the sound of sirens. Arrests are made and rocks are thrown, and terror seeks out troubled souls. We need the savior of every man. He'll turn our colors into gold in his hands, but our eyes are set on the flesh, so we see our fight in black and white, and thus the sound of sirens. And on the news tonight I saw just how the people hate the law. People shot dead without blinking, people speaking without thinking, people righting wrongs with force instead of prayer. No one spared. It stirs the sound of sirens. Fools that riot do not know Satan's quite a clever foe. Hear the word or he might beat you. Take a bonds and he might eat you. But the verse, Ephesians 6 verse 12, it echoes in the wails of sirens.